A webinar or an online meeting? Which one should you go for? It's a matter of scale and your goal. If you need to run a small collaborative video conference with up to 25 attendees, creating a meeting is your answer. If you want to gather up a broader audience, then you should go for a webinar. Let's say you plan a team meeting with just a few people and you want everybody to be able to speak. Choose the meeting option on the main page of your account panel. Okay, but what if you are in the middle of your meeting with 25 attendees and want to let more people join your conference room? Or perhaps you want to silence the group and let only the up to 4 presenters do the talking. No problem. Change the event type on the fly with one click here. You may have noticed there is a third option called Presenters Only. Use it during the event with up to 4 presenters. It will allow them to speak only to each other and not to be heard by the attendees. It's a perfect solution for making a short break during long conferences or just for consulting some issues on the go. Please note that your audio and video will not be captured on the recording if you enable this option. Last, what if you are hosting a small webinar under 25 people and want it to become more interactive? Just use the same menu and switch back to the meeting mode. Now, all your attendees are free to speak. Now you know how to switch from a meeting to a webinar and adjust the event to your needs. That's it for now.